Make ready. Are you ready?
Ready.
Stand by.
Fuck.
Hey, finish on low show. Clear, clear, hammer down, holster. Range is clear. 1590. Hey, 1 for 1 on steel, bro.
Oh, thank you.
Awesome,
thank
dude.
you.
Yeah, that was very nice, dude. Yeah, nice job.
Thanks, guys.
2 Charlie, Alpha Charlie.
On any stage like this where you activate the steel,
Yeah.
or you activate the target and then you see it, when you're coming into the position, you really want to be in your periphery,
Yeah.
blocking where it is. Because if you had gone pop, 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 swinger, then static,
Yeah.
that'd have been a second and a half.
Thanks, guys. Oh, wow. Thank you.
All right, last shooter,
Yeah,
Tyler.
in my head, I have been trying to challenge myself like today and last week to hit some target intermediate between the activator and that. But then, you know, we had this entire way to go, so it kind of fucked me up. I didn't build it into my plan. Fucking good stage though, man.
Good plan, good execution.
Thanks, man.